In this lesson, we are going to discuss simple future tense, active voice, how to write, where to use, examples, exercises. Simple future tense. Any tense can be built with subject, helping verb, verb, and rest of the sentence. For the simple future tense, will is the helping verb with any subject. I will. He, she, it, any singular, will. You, we, they, any plural, will. Verb in present, rest of the sentence. This is the common format for the simple future tense. Simple future tense. Examples. I will learn English. You will learn English. We will learn English. They will learn English. He will learn English. She will learn English. It will learn English. So, with any subject, will is the helping verb. Simple future tense. Where to use? Prediction about the future. It will rain in the evening. He will meet a doctor in a few minutes. Promise. I will call you back. We will support you in the election. Request. Will you help me in the exam? Will you come with me? Conditional statement. If she prepared well, they will select her. If he comes back, they will catch him. Simple future tense. Exercise. Listen to the 6 sentences with each subject. I will walk to school. You will walk to school. We will walk to school. They will walk to school. He will walk to school. She will walk to school. It will walk to school. Comment on your own sentences. Thank you.